High price tags raise questions. Let's break down what you're actually buying. ServiceTitan bundles enterprise-grade software, deep integrations, and continuous updates. That upfront cost funds engineering, secure cloud infrastructure, and relentless product development. You get advanced features, intelligent dispatch, real-time reporting, and mobile workforce tools. Onboarding, hands-on training, and a dedicated support team are included. Together, they deliver uptime, faster fixes, and consistent service across your fleet. Now the returns: fewer truck rolls, higher conversion rates, and boosted technician productivity. Customers regularly report measurable revenue growth and improved margins within months. Simple ROI charts show break-even often arrives in under a year. Deep integrations automate billing, parts tracking, payroll, and customer communication. Real testimonials: business owners say time saved equals more billable jobs. Paying for ServiceTitan buys efficiency, predictable growth, and long-term peace of mind.